Jason, tell us your experience about the hair transplant.
It was good. It was good overall. Got a lot of orange juice and pizza.
Jason had a strip transplant in September 2017. He had hair loss in the crown area, and you can see it here. And this is what it appeared immediately post-transplant. So these are the results at 7 months. At 8 months post-transplant. We're just going to have a look here. Sorry. It's the result of the strip transplant. The scar is minimal. Barely see it. Jason, tell us your experience about the hair transplant.
It was good. It was good overall. Got a lot of orange juice and pizza.
So you had a good experience.
Yeah.
Are you glad you chose to get the hair transplant done?
Yeah.
Have you had comments by anyone?
No, not really.
Okay. You probably look at yourself in the mirror from time to time?
Occasionally.
All right. Do you have any advice for someone looking to do a hair transplant?
I think it's probably worth researching, seeing what your options are.
And you had a good experience with our transplant center?
Yeah.